The Honor 20i comes with AI triple rear camera with wide-angle lens and depth assist lens for capturing every detail with complete clarity. It also features a dynamic prism-shaped 3D color gradient back panel. The phone is available in Phantom Blue and Midnight Black color variants. The phone comes with 4GB RAM plus 128GB internal memory that provides seamless multitasking. The memory is expandable up to 512GB. It comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. Honor 20i has an immersive 6.21-inch Full HD Plus Dew-Drop display with a 90+% screen-to-body ratio, allowing for seamless viewing and gaming experience. The phone comes with AI triple rear camera setup with a 120-degree field of view. Honor 20i is also supported by artificial image stabilization for sharp night shoots. The 32-megapixel AI front camera lets you take quality selfies with ease. Powered by Android operating system with Kirin 710F octa-core processor, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. It also comes with GPU Turbo 2.0 that facilitates a lag-free gaming experience. This phone is powered by a 3400 mAh battery. The box includes handset, charger, TPU cover, data cable, SIM eject tool, TP protective film, warranty card and user manual. The Honor 20i comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.